What's up YouTube? Chef Al back in the kitchen, and today we're gonna make some chicken burgers. Alright, we got minced chicken, we got some parsley, onions. Here we got some cottage cheese with some 30 plus. So the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna spice up the chicken. So I'm gonna add up some garlic, some salt, some lemon juice, and that's it for today. So first I'm gonna sprinkle it with some salt and get some garlic on it. Finish these off. Some lemon juice. A few drops. What we're gonna do now, this is roughly 500 grams of chicken, and I'm gonna add the parsley and the onion. I'm just gonna spread it out, add all of it. So now you're just gonna blend everything. Next step is we're going to add some olive oil in the pan. Not too much, just a bit. You spread it out. Alright. What we're going to do now is add the burgers in the pan. Actually, what we're going to do is in the middle of the burger, we're going to open up a hole. And that hole is going to be filled up with cheese. To finish things off, we're going to use the last burger that doesn't fit in the pan to make the top. Actually, just grab a bit, you put it on top of the burger. Make sure to have it on a medium fire. So from the scale from 1 to 5, you put it on 3, and you just give it some time. So I just finished cooking this meal. This is how it looks like. As you can see, nice and cheesy in the middle of the burger, some rice on the side, and some onions. The macros and ingredients will be put in the description down below. I hope to see you guys soon for more of these kind of videos. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share if you enjoy our videos. Spread the word to make our community grow. One way, we out.